Understanding HVAC Delta T is key to keeping your electric strip heating running smooth and your home comfy without wasting energy. So, Delta T basically means the difference between the air temperature going into your heater and the air coming out. When your electric strip heat is on, you want that Delta T to stay pretty steady. If it starts rising, that's a red flag. That usually means your airflow is low or something is blocking the ducts. To keep things chill, make sure your air filters are clean and replace them regularly because clogged filters kill airflow. Also, check that your blower fan is working right since it pushes the air through. If you notice uneven heating or some rooms are hotter than others, it might be time to inspect your ductwork for leaks or blockages. Another tip is not to crank up the thermostat too high because electric strip heat can trip safety limits if it overheats. And lastly, schedule regular HVAC maintenance to catch these issues before they mess with your comfort. One of the biggest mistakes with HVAC Delta T during electric strip heating is ignoring airflow problems. Too low airflow causes Delta T to spike, so always check and clean filters and ducts. Another common issue is overheating due to thermostat settings being too high, which can cause the system to shut down or cycle on and off too much. Fix this by setting a moderate temperature and avoiding sudden changes. Third, people often skip regular HVAC maintenance, leading to unnoticed malfunctions like blower motor issues or faulty sensors. Getting professional tune-ups helps prevent those headaches and keeps Delta T steady. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to heating systems and repairs. Plus, it helps contractors get connected with people who need their skills, making sure everyone wins on comfort and quality work.